Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the Windows 11 date and time settings. So if we go to the settings, I'll do a right click and then I'll go to settings and then we see this time and language. So when we click here, we get this option date and time. I'll show you. But it's saying set time zone automatically. So if it is turned on, there is no option to change the date and time. So if you want the automatic one, you can simply turn on and it will select the time zone. You just need to change the time zone and you will be able to see the correct date and time, right? And by any chance, if you want to do it manually, then you just need to close this and search control panel. Okay, control panel. And here you can either select by large icons or small icons. So I have selected the large icon and you will see the date and time right there. And here we have this window and you can change the time zone from here. You can change the date and time from here. And once you are done, you just need to click on apply and OK. All right. So this is so easy and you can do that by yourself. And if this tutorial is helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.